Needed a new USB hub, so let's check this one out. This is how it ships. I'm going to open it up here. It's USB 3. This is a powered hub, which means that it can do data and everything through the USB 3, but it's also getting its power from the wall. So it's got this 2-prong outlet. The unit itself has, they come in a couple of different styles. Let's take it out of the bag here. This unit has USB file transfer plugs and then powered transferred plugs, and you can get them in different numbers. Each one of these has a button that either goes up or down. Very nice. Has pads on the bottom. This is going to take the place of a very okay power strip that I'd been using. This one is a deluxe power strip. Really happy they sent me this one to check out. This is something that is going to take our ability to use the laptop to the next level. Being able to charge and power things up while we're using this many ports, what is that, 7 ports for data transfer for mice and for hard drives. Really impressive. Hope this helps.